If you want a luxurious watch for casual and daily wear, then this product will not disappoint you. Hi everyone, presenting the Sylvi Imperial Luxury Fashion Men's Watch, which I am going to unbox today. The box looks impressive and durable. Premium stylish watch box ready to gift. It has compact in size and the front shows the logo of Sylvi. On this side, it's written, "You've got the most valuable thing, time Sylvi watch." On another side, various social media platforms are mentioned, like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and Twitter. Follow and stay tuned with Sylvi. On the back side of the box is a Make in India logo which brings a smile to any Indian people's face. Now let's quickly open the box. When the box is open, you'll see a small round card. On the front side, you'll get a welcome message, and on the back side, you will see a QR code for warranty registration. Then you will find the user manual. You can read if you want to understand what all features are there inside the watch. I must say, the packaging is impressive. Under which you will find the watch. The watch is light in weight and has a smooth finish. It has a date display, a Japanese quartz movement, and a round analog display. This luxurious watch comes with a genuine durable leather strap with a push-button deployment clasp. Overall, the finish of the watch is very nice. Thanks again for sticking around with this unboxing video.